In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a specific portion of your Autocad drawing as a separate file. This is really useful when you only want to share part of a project, create a clean detailed drawing, or isolate a section for further editing. Let's get started. First, identify the area of the drawing you want to keep. To separate it clearly, draw a closed boundary around that section. You can use a rectangle, circle, or any closed polyline depending on the shape of the area. Try to zoom in and place the boundary accurately, because this outline determines exactly what portion of the drawing will be isolated. Once the boundary is ready, we need to remove or isolate everything outside of it. One quick way to do this is by using the Xtrim command. Type Xtrim into the command line and press Enter. Then select the boundary object you created. Autocad will trim away the geometry outside the selected boundary, leaving only the section you want to keep. After that, it's time to save this portion as its own file. Go to the command line, type W, and press Enter. This opens the WriteBlock command, also known as WBLOCK. Inside the WBLOCK window, choose the option to select objects. Then manually select the remaining part of the drawing that you want to save. Next, choose a file name and select the folder where you want the new drawing saved. It's a good idea to use a clear file name so you can easily recognize the drawing later. Once everything is set, click OK. Autocad will now create a completely separate DWG file containing only the selected portion of your drawing. This method is especially useful for creating detailed drawings, sending specific sections to clients or team members, or organizing large projects into smaller files. And that's it. Create a boundary, isolate the section, then use WBLOCK to save it as a separate Autocad file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.